Hi, I'm Charu Mathur. I head digital at IndusInd Bank. So, IndusInd Bank is a very large and diverse institution. We serve over 39 million customers today. We have more than 3,000 branches, almost 3,000 ATMs. We do everything and cater to many different diverse segments, right from inclusive banking at the bottom of the pyramid. We are one of the largest businesses there. And then vehicle finance, another very large business where we are one of the largest financiers of vehicle loans in the country. And then, of course, the consumer franchise, a fairly large consumer franchise that the bank runs, and corporate and commercial banking as well. So the genesis of Indie was about, we wanted to create a product that basically brings a better way to bank in the country and a better way to bank with many industry firsts. So everything in Indie, what we have tried to build, the idea is that we want to be best of breed or better. So if it is payments, we are taking a lot of inspiration from best of breed apps and payments. When we are trying to do wealth management, again, a lot of inspiration comes from best of breed apps who are there in the wealth management space. And the idea is to bring a very, very differentiated experience to retail customers, which has never been experienced before. We have close to 10 million user base on the app. Nearly 1.5 million customers have opened accounts. We process 10 million transactions every month. The time when we chose MoEngage was also a time where we were observing a lot of shift in consumer behavior. We were observing this thing that customers increasingly don't prefer to be in the branches. They expect more and more to be done on the digital platforms. And a lot of time that a customer spends in engaging with the bank is actually no longer happening in a branch, but actually happening on a mobile app or an internet banking platform. So we were looking for a platform where we can do more when the customer is on the app. And we wanted a platform for in-app engagement. We wanted the entire experience to be personalized, and MoEngage was a perfect partner for us. MoEngage, of course, has a very good stack where it helps us drive real-time in-app engagement. The engagement is very contextual because we exactly know what the customer is trying to, do on the app in that moment, and we are able to create relevant offers for the customer on the spot. And at the same time, MoEngage has the ability to also drive personalization. So we use a lot of data to create consumer personas, and we're able to bring all that intelligence also into MoEngage as a data platform where we can do things very differently for different personas. So the best part about MoEngage is that it's a very easy platform. So it's really low code or really no code kind of a platform. So we don't really have to train people, and we've had many people in our growth team or the campaigns team find it very easy to get started on a platform like MoEngage. When we were earlier running campaigns, normally there was a lot of lag between the idea and execution, as much as 8 to 10 days with code, and that was very normal. So now with MoEngage, we are able to drive campaigns much faster. We have an idea in the morning, it's up and running in the next 2-3 minutes. We build personas and then bring that all into the MoEngage data platform to drive not just real-time engagement, but also relevant and contextual and personalized engagement. So for example, the Indie app that we have, and we have a lot of data for the customers. We basically do demographic personas of the customers depending upon the age, the location, the tier of the city they come from, the type of occupation. And then we create various personas marrying all of these attributes together in our data warehouse. That helps us create a very relevant offer for specific cohorts, very targeted offer and personalized offers for different types of customers. We are able to integrate our entire data warehouse and all this analytics seamlessly with the MoEngage customer data platform, almost real time for the Indie app. We basically drive a lot of cross-sell on the Indie app for the customers, almost completely autonomously. Entire cross-sell on the Indie app, for example, whether it is fixed deposits or loans, is nearly autonomously driven. 80% of the cross-sell happens on the app through intelligent nudges and relevant nudges, and we have been able to really make it a very efficient shop for us on the outbound sales. And at the same time, we don't have to nag customers with a lot of unsolicited calls, because we're able to do it in a far efficient manner straight away through the platform.